Hello students, today we will see the next problem of rotational dynamics which is given in the textbook of Maharashtra State Board. The problem is like this: during a stunt, a cyclist is undertaking horizontal circles inside a cylindrical well. Cylindrical well, that means it is ultimately clear that this problem is of death well problem. The radius of well is 6.05 meter. The radius is given to you. I will correct data: 6.05 meter. If mu coefficient of friction is 0.5, how much minimum speed should the stunt artist maintain? That means we have to find out minimum velocity of that stunt artist. The mass of artist is 50 kg. If he or she increases the speed by 20%, how much will the force of friction? So, in the death well problems, we know that if suppose the artist is performing such type of motion, horizontal circular motion, this is the wall of cylindrical well. Here, suppose the vehicle of that artist, then the weight of this person, it is acting vertically downward direction, mg, and this weight, it is balanced by frictional force. So as condition is given to you that there should not skidding of this artist, that means the frictional force, it is balanced by weight. So we can write here frictional force Fs is nothing but weight, and we know that frictional force is nothing but mu into m, where n is normal reaction. Now see in this diagram, normal reaction is given by the wall of this cylindrical well in this way, and this normal reaction will provide us necessary centripetal force, CPF. That means here normal reaction is equal to CPF, centripetal force, and we can write centripetal force as mv square upon r. Substitute this value here. What we get? Mu into mv square upon r is equal to mg. M cancel. So what do we get? V square is equal to V square is equal to Rg by mu. That means V is equal to under root Rg by mu. Remember student, for the case of only death well problem, we get such type of condition. In case of banking of road, we get V is equal to under root mu Rg. That is the case of banking of road. But here the case is different. Weight is balanced by frictional force, and the necessary normal reaction is provided by the centripetal force. Therefore, we get V is equal to under root Rg by mu. Substitute values here. So what do we get? See here, V square root of R, it is given to you 6.05. G, take 9.8 as a 10 and divided by mu, 0.5. 0.5 means 1 by 2. So what do we get? V 6.05 into 20. That means V is equal to root of 1 to 1. That means V, it is nearly equal to 11 meter per second. This is the minimum velocity that should be achieved by this stuntman. Minimum velocity. Now another question is asked here. Here question is, if he or she increases the speed by 20%, how much will the force of friction? So remember here, the minimum speed, if that stunt man achieve minimum speed 11 meter per second, That means this condition is balanced. And if the speed increases either by 20%, 40%, 60% and so on, then there will be no effect on frictional force because there is no question arises of skidding of that person. So skidding happens if this situation is not balanced. So remember, though speed increases, there will be no effect on the frictional force, and frictional force condition it is given by same Fs is equal to mg, as skidding is not possible. So Fs is equal to mg. So what we get? M is nothing but 50, and G it is 9.8 approximate 10. That means we get 500 Newton. So this is your answer.